name's Ben Stevens. I'm part of the SWAT, the Sanremo World Academy team. As part of this video tutorial, we're going to run you through the accessories that come with the Sanremo Opera and also the installation process. So let's run through a few of the accessories. We have an optional external rotary pump to increase net pressure if required. This also comes with a regulated pressure reduction valve. We have our drainage tube, our 2 water lines, our 3 double portafilters, 1 single portafilter, and 3 extra baskets. Now we've run through the accessories that come with the machine, let's step through the installation process. To begin with, we want to hook up our machine to the net water supply. Our initial water hose coming directly from the water filtration that you desire, hooking up to the inlet of the rotary pump if you've decided to set up with the external pump. Our second step is to run from our rotary pump to our adjustable pressure regulator. A water line connecting to the outlet of our rotary pump. From our rotary pump, we connect to the inlet of our pressure reduction valve. From our pressure reduction valve, we now connect our machine to the outlet of the pressure reduction valve. Our water line is now connected. We can now start by connecting up our rotary pump power cable. Simply push the plug in and we're ready to go. Our final step of the hookup process is our power cable. We have 2 options that you can choose from, whether it be a 3-phase machine with phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, neutral, and an earth. On our single phase option, you will have phase 1, neutral, and earth. Let's go ahead and connect that now. Our final step of the installation process is to attach our drainage line to the reverse side of the drip tray. Now that we've switched on our Sanremo Opera, there's a few very important stages that we need to run through. As part of our Opera system, we have a bleed system to maintain a full saturation of the group boilers, again for consistency of temperature. We also have to make sure that we maintain the incoming pressure. Let's run through that process now. We need to start by activating all 3 groups. While they're running, we adjust. Ideally, we'd like to have 3 bar pressure under 3 group operation. Our next step is to bleed the air of the system to maintain that full saturation. To do so, our first step is to remove the basket from the portafilter and replace it with our cleaning blind. Our next step is we lock our portafilter into the group head. We raise the lid of the machine, activate the group, and we press our purge button. We then replicate that across the 3 group heads.